Style me over. Tonight we are styling the brand Motto. My name is Melina Bagnato. If you are new here, I'm a qualified stylist and colour analyst with 25 years experience in the fashion industry and 15 years in styling. And tonight I'm going to rock your world with this brand, Motto Fashion. What I've actually done tonight is created this collection and kept in mind a few things. 1, different body shapes, 2, different colors, and 3, different personalities, okay? I've got this beautiful knit on, which I've popped on because it's probably actually one of my favorite pieces. It's really soft, really warm, but it doesn't feel heavy, okay? Now, what I've actually done is I've actually styled it with one of Motto's camis. The combination I've put together for you here, chicks, is really great for those ladies that love to layer, that maybe are conscious of their thighs, maybe conscious of their upa, that upper punani area, you know, that puffy bit sometimes. This is a great way. Now also, by layering like this, where your eye starts and stops at the V, then the length of the jumper, then also at the long line cami, it's creating length, it's elongating. Even though it's a horizontal stripe, because of the V-neck and the layering, it's beautiful. I'm going to talk to you about these jeans. These are amazing. I will point out that I'm wearing a size small in the knit as well as a size 10 in the cami. Really important to point out to you that Motto starts at a size 10 and goes all the way up to a size 18. Now, I just want to take you through this cami, okay? Now, let me tell you something. Camis at Motto are absolutely mind-blowing. They have got a cami for every color, personality type, and size, whether you like lace, print, or plain. But you know, if you've got bigger boobs, it will move with your body as opposed to pulling on your actual arm with a fully adjustable back. Look at this. Look at this beautiful, it's like a duck egg blue. It's beautiful blue with this vino stripe. I'm gonna come close and show you the knit. Look at the rib. Fully fashioned, lovely V. This cami, it's like they've been made to go together. By itself is another option, okay? Watch this. Obviously great, long, worn out, wear it with a necklace if you're one of those chicks that's worried about their tummies and their booty. But if you're not one of those chicky babes, so many different ways you can rock your cami. You can twist and tuck it in and bag it out. Okay, like so. You can grab the corner of your cami, you can do a little knot like so, okay? If you've got jeans on with belt loops, okay? I personally love a little knot like that, okay? About these pants. Seriously, I'm not joking. You'd think that I've got shares in the business, I'm that excited. It's freaking amazing. Super stretchy, thick, ponty pants, which means, that's right, they're gonna suck you in, right? But the best part is they've got a contrast vegan lower half. So what I love is this two-tone. Have you ever seen a two-tone like this? I personally haven't. Let me introduce you to your new favorite animal cami. Is this not fanny flutter material? So can you see that the neckline is different to the other camis I showed you? It's a little bit more of a V-neck. It's sexy, but not too revealing. It's got the lace trim, super stretchy bra straps. Again, I'd never seen this until I've seen it with Motto here, okay? Who loves blazers? I freaking love blazers. Blazers is like every woman's super cape. It's like saying, I'm invincible. Like always wear a cape when I go to a meeting. It makes me feel strong, okay? And even if you're not needing to wear a blazer, it's not corporate, you're not going out, a stretch blazer is fantastic to throw on with a pair of sneakers, a pair of jeans, and a cami if you want to. Now there are different types of ponty ladies, okay? You can get a ponty from a mainstream, brand that produces thousands of units, and it's very light. This is a thick weight, okay? Super thick, which means it's not gonna ball, it's not gonna grow, it's gonna hold its style, and it's super stretchy, amazing quality. Motto do this jacket in other colors as well. Did you guys see the red suit that I wore a few weeks ago? Holy shitballs. That was like I just wanted to look in the mirror and go, how amazing is this outfit? I've never worn a red suit before. And then my husband was like, wow, you look good in red. I'm like, I know. Where else can I go to wear this? Because it was amazing. But they are not shy to be bold, Motto. And that's what I want for you guys, is to feel really super confident in who you are and say, yes, this is who I am. Now let me show you. This is Motto to a T. They've taken a classic piece with a twist. So it's just a beautiful silky shirt. But look at the curved cuff. Can you see that? Beautiful curved cuff that even when you button it up and you flick it back, it almost looks like a flower petal. Look at that. Not gorgeous round edge to your Now, let me introduce you to a knit you cannot get anywhere else. And this is what I would call an investment piece. It is a beautiful quality knit. It's not like those knits that you'll find somewhere else for maybe $50 because you're not going to get more than a few wears out of it. This is an investment piece. Really beautiful quality. But can you see this print right here? It's actually been woven into the knit. I'm going to come up close. Can you see a woman holding herself? What I see when I look at this is that I see a woman, self-love, supporting herself. And you know the best part? This is actually being designed by Faye herself. Faye, one of the mother of the brand, she actually is an artist. And so anytime you buy any of her t-shirts or her jumpers or sweaters and there's artwork on it, she's actually hand-drawn the artwork and then they've printed it or woven it in. Isn't that incredible? This is probably my #1 favorite combination out of tonight, purely because it's bold, it's unapologetically me. You know, you walk into a room and you just own it. It is an on-trend color, which means you're gonna feel like you're stylish, even though I never care about what's in fashion. I'm all about what suits you. It is a really beautiful, rich, warm blue, but because it's been the yarn that they've chosen, honestly, a lot of ladies that are in the cool can also do it as well. It's just for those chicks that want a little bit of something extra. Look at this. We're now gonna clash 2 different blues, because why not? Who makes the rules? And we're gonna pop the neck up. And instead of covering the entire outfit, now we're going to rock this outfit with a cropped shacket. It is unlined. It's perfect to go over a little cami over jeans. Of course, it's a very elevated look, but of course you can rock this head to toe in motto. So how gorgeous is this? I love a little mini flare. A little mini flare is great for ladies that are curvy. It balances your widest point. So really, really flattering, okay? Probably wouldn't wear it with a boot. I'd be wearing it with a point or a pair of flats. But of course you can wear this shirt open as well if you wanted to, like so. And that's probably my suggested way of wearing it, purely because it opens up the neckline. I find a lot of ladies do love to wear it tied up when they've got a bigger bust, but I personally love it open. It's more relaxed, it's got that element of sexy, it's a conservative V. I'll show you the shirt properly in a minute. But how stunning is this jacket? That's what I love about Motto. They actually are designers and they put together ranges that mix and match together, which means that you chicks can have a look and just be styled. I love that. But how gorgeous is, where's my pockets? This combination. You know, you can be fierce, bold, sexy, sophisticated, effortless, and comfy all at the same time. I mean, how many freaking tick boxes do you want to tick? This is the Charlie shirt. Beautiful shirt. It again feels like silk, but it's not. Can you see that self-check? Can you see that? That's what I love about the styles here. They've got really interesting textures. They take something that's quite, you know, a basic and an essential, and they really trick it up. Now what I want to show you is that beautiful white shirt comes in a cami as well. So this here is, of course, one way to wear it for that cheeky babe that wants to feel sexy and effortless, but is very conscious of maybe their rounder tummy, their upa, their upper punani area, or their bottom, okay? So it's a great way to be able to layer, feel sexy without hiding your body, because I know, I've been doing this for a long time. A lot of brands have big oversized tops and you end up covering your body, okay? This is a beautiful mid-length knitted cable. Cable means when the actual machine in which the knit is actually created on has what almost looks like a plait going through the knit. So if you ever see a knit with that sort of effect through the midsection here, it's called cable knit, okay? And this particular type of technical rib it's just called a rib, okay? Really stunning. Again, I'm 167 centimeters tall, really great length. I feel super sexy in it. I feel really comfortable, and I would probably put a really beautiful big overcoat on top.